In the modern, interconnected world, the ability to move money across borders efficiently and cost-effectively is crucial. As a project manager, I'm accustomed to evaluating tools and processes based on their suitability for specific tasks. When it comes to international money transfers, two prominent players often emerge: PayPal and Wise. Let's delve into a comparative analysis, dissecting their features and functionalities to determine which platform offers the better solution, depending on your needs. Defining project objectives. Understanding the core purpose. Before we dive into the specifics, let's establish the fundamental purpose of both platforms. Both PayPal and Wise facilitate international money transfers, but their underlying approaches differ. PayPal is a well-established online payment system with a broad range of features, including online shopping payments and business tools. Wise, on the other hand, specializes in transparent and cost-effective international money transfers, leveraging mid-market exchange rates and local bank networks. Breaking down the work packages. Feature-by-feature comparison. To effectively compare PayPal and Wise, we need to examine their key features and functionalities, much like breaking down a project into its constituent work packages. Exchange rates. PayPal typically adds a markup to the exchange rate, often resulting in higher costs for currency conversions. This markup is not always transparent and can vary significantly. Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate, the same rate you see on Google. This transparency ensures you know exactly what you're paying for currency conversions. Fees. PayPal charges a combination of fixed fees and percentage-based fees, which can be substantial, especially for larger transactions. The fee structure can be complex and difficult to understand. Wise offers a transparent fee structure with a small percentage-based fee for each transaction. This fee is clearly displayed before you initiate the transfer, ensuring you know the exact cost. Transfer speed. PayPal transfer speeds can vary depending on the destination and payment method. Some transfers can be completed within minutes, while others may take several business days. Wise generally offers faster transfer speeds compared to PayPal, particularly for bank transfers. Many transfers are completed within 1 to 2 business days. Currency support. PayPal supports a wide range of currencies, but its exchange rates and fees can make some currency conversions expensive. Wise also supports a wide range of currencies and excels in providing cost-effective conversions, especially for less common currency pairs. Account features. PayPal offers a broader range of features, including online shopping payments, invoicing, and business tools. It also integrates with many e-commerce platforms. Wise focuses primarily on international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. While it offers business accounts with additional features, its primary strength lies in its currency conversion capabilities. Debit card. PayPal offers a debit card in some regions, but its functionality for international spending is limited compared to Wise. Wise provides a multi-currency debit card that allows users to spend their balances like a local, wherever MasterCard is accepted, at the real exchange rate. User experience. PayPal has a user-friendly interface and is widely recognized. However, its fees and exchange rates can be a source of frustration. Wise offers a clean and intuitive interface, with a focus on transparency and ease of use. Its fee structure and exchange rates are clearly displayed, promoting trust. Applying project management principles. Analyzing the trade-offs. Just as a project manager weighs the pros and cons of different approaches, we need to analyze the trade-offs between PayPal and Wise to determine which platform is better suited for specific needs. Cost sensitivity. If cost is a primary concern, Wise is generally the better option due to its transparent fee structure and mid-market exchange rates. Speed requirements. If speed is critical, Wise often offers faster transfer speeds, especially for bank transfers. Feature requirements. If you need a platform with a broader range of features, such as online shopping payments and invoicing, PayPal may be more suitable. Currency needs. For common currencies, both work well. For less common, Wise often gives better rates. Debit card usage. For frequent international travelers or expats, the Wise debit card offers significant advantages. Business needs. Both offer business accounts, but Wise is often better for businesses that handle many international transfers. Defining project deliverables. Identifying the ideal user. Like identifying the target audience for a project, we need to determine which platform is best suited for different user profiles. Individuals sending money abroad. For individuals sending money to family or friends in other countries, Wise is often the more cost-effective option. Freelancers and remote workers. Freelancers and remote workers receiving payments from international clients will likely benefit from Wise's low fees and fast transfer speeds. E-commerce sellers. E-commerce sellers operating internationally may find PayPal's integration with e-commerce platforms useful, but they should be aware of the potential for higher fees. Frequent travelers and expats. Frequent travelers and expats will find the Wise debit card invaluable for spending their money like a local. Businesses conducting international transactions. Businesses conducting regular international transactions will benefit from Wise's cost-effective currency conversions and multi-currency accounts. Addressing potential challenges. Limitations and considerations. No project is without its challenges, and both PayPal and Wise have limitations that need to be considered. Account verification. Both platforms require account verification, which can sometimes be time-consuming. Transfer limits. Both platforms have transfer limits, which may not be suitable for large transactions. Customer support. While both platforms offer customer support, response times and quality can vary. Regional availability. Some features and services may not be available in all regions. Transaction holds. Both platforms can hold transactions for security reasons, which can cause delays. Project closure. Key takeaways. In the realm of international money transfers, both PayPal and Wise offer valuable services. However, their strengths and weaknesses make them better suited for different needs. Wise excels in cost-effective and transparent international money transfers, leveraging real exchange rates and low fees. PayPal offers a broader range of features, including online shopping payments and business tools, but its fees and exchange rates can be less competitive. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your specific requirements. If cost and transparency are your primary concerns, Wise is likely the better option. If you need a platform with a wider range of features and are willing to pay a premium, PayPal may be more suitable. As a project manager, I recommend carefully evaluating your needs and priorities before choosing a platform. Consider the frequency and volume of your international transactions, the currencies you need to convert, and the features you require.